Hey, good morning everybody. It's Jenny with JennyNibroPeterson.com, and this is your wellness tip of the day. So I'm out here in my vegetable garden. I'm planting my second raised bed out of 5. We've got 5 total raised beds, and the reason I am bringing this to you in a wellness tip today is, you guys know I always encourage people to grow their own food because there's really no better way to have quality control of the food that you put into your body than when you grow it yourself. You know that there aren't any pesticides. It's grown the way you want. You grow what you want, the quantity you want, the variety you want. So it's really the way to go. I'd highly encourage you to do that. But if you have any kind of mobility problems, or let's just say you've got arthritis, chronic pain, knee problems, back problems, maybe balance problems caused by nerve damage in your feet, for example, like I do from a chemotherapy 6 years ago, you're going to want to really consider constructing raised beds. The bed that I'm sitting on right now is about 15 feet long, this way to this way. It's 4 foot wide. That's what I recommend because it gives you just enough width so that you can lean over into the middle of the bed without having to twist and reach too much. That's not good for your back. It also, like down at the short end down here, because we did construct it on a slope, it's just a slight slope. Down here at the shortest side, like that bed over there is probably only about 12 inches high, but down here it's over 2 foot tall. Where I'm sitting right now, it's about 18 inches tall, and it's just perfect. Saves my back. I'm not having to reach and bend. I just sit right on the edge, and then I can plant, I can maintain, and I can harvest in an enjoyable and safe way, because it's really important to do it safely if you have any issues at all. So I know my gardener friends in the north right now are like, what? You're still planting? Because it's November. I'm like, yes, I know, but remember, when we are in the depths of hell during August and September, you guys are having glorious weather. So it is a little bit of a trade-off. So even if you live in those colder climates and you are not planting right now, you can still construct the beds or plan them for next year. So there's always something that you can be doing in the garden, whether it's planning, constructing, or actually planting. So shoot me a comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you vegetable garden. Do you have raised beds? How many do you have? What are you planting? Just all the details, because I like to hear what's going on in your life and in your garden. So thank you for joining me on the wellness tip of the day. Till I talk with you next time, be well and keep gardening.